Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the OnStream app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, you gotta get the app code downloader on your Firestick. If you already have downloader and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So firstly, let's go to the search bar on a Firestick. Let's do that, here it is. Open the search, and then here you need to start typing downloader. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on downloader, and there's the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you get downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we have to go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and then start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it said no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. After that, go to install unknown apps, and in here, all we have to do is locate downloader. Here it is, and turn the option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But now, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Estonia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wanna stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your Firestick, locate downloader, and let's open it up. Now it should load in a couple of moments, and there, in a search bar, we'll have to enter a link, which will be OnStream.so. So once again, it's onstream.so. That is the link you have to enter. Then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then when this website opens, you have to click on that big download OnStream button. So just click on it and then press on OnStream for Android TV. And now the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. After that, you also have to click on that install button and just wait until the app gets fully installed to your Firestick. Then click done, delete and delete to get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick device. And then if you go back to a list of apps on the Firestick, let's open it. Wait a moment until it loads. And then here at the bottom you will find the OnStream. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. And just click on it and press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.